Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video on Worldcoin. Was very bullish yesterday, so just wanted to give you my thoughts on this. We also, on the higher time frames, got a significant bullish breakout, which I wanted to talk about. Does that actually mean that we can hold this breakout and rally up higher? And I know, so that's why I wanted to look at it. But I also know a lot of you are interested in Worldcoin from the community. So this is for you. All right, we'll do a full update here. In general. Before we start, and while I reset my camera real quick, before we start, I do want to say I think Worldcoin is a great excuse me. I think Worldcoin is a great crypto to trade. I don't think it's a great crypto to hold. All right, Worldcoin. If you look at the tokenomics, these are some of the worst tokenomics I've ever seen. All right, so they have a ton of emissions, a ton of token inflation every single day. So what that means is that the market cap just basically goes up and you're diluted every single day, and that's just not a crypto you want to hold. But Worldcoin, because so many people are short on this, what you see is that every now and then you get these major rallies. All right, and what we see or what we saw over the course of last week was that AI was also quite strong. Worldcoin is an AI project, so in times like that it can be quite bullish. And then we get to the technicals here, which I think are bullish as well, because like I said, we broke above a significant level. Volume is very high as well, which is interesting because a lot of volumes across the markets are actually down over the last 24 hours. So that's something to be excited about, at least slightly. And the momentum is still very high. You saw yesterday in the evening, first we got some major short liquidations. But then very quickly afterwards, you saw the open interest. The momentum increased a lot, and that has continued into this morning as well. So that's why there still is potential. Now, what I'm waiting for right now is the following, and this is purely based on the technicals. We broke above this significant level, which you can also see on the chart, between 1.95 and 2.05, basically around $2, right? So that's a strong psychological level. But it's also historically, as you can see, a respected technical level. So we've broken above that, but then you have a little bit of an issue, and that is that there's also it's a smaller level. It's not as relevant, but there's a smaller key level here, which we bounced on, for example, the 16th of July, but also the 3rd of July, and then once more the 25th. There's another level around 2.2. And that is also supported on the 12-hour time frame with the 200 EMA, which is quite a strong level, and the 100 EMA on the daily time frame. So that is quite a strong resistance level. So that's why when I look at the chart of Worldcoin here, first of all, I think if we pull back into 1.9 or 1.92, I think that's worth a buy. All right, so you have the 382 FIB there and a strong level, very easily invalidated. I think that's an interesting level to buy at, something like this potentially. But ultimately, if you want to know the continuation of the price for Worldcoin, you just need to know which one of these two levels is going to hold, right? So basically how I view Worldcoin right now, and I think that's the best way to view it, is that we're stuck between 1.95 and 2.2, and what we're waiting for is just one of these two levels to break, right? If we're able to break above 2.2 here, we're going to be bullish, and we're going to rally into 2.5, probably into $3 again. And if we're unable to hold 1.95 and we break below 1.95, then it's probably one big fake out here, and then we're going to drop back down into 1.75, 1.6. So wait for that. I think that's the safest thing to do. I would say it's slightly more likely that we're going to get the bullish breakout given the momentum we're seeing in the markets right now, but that doesn't mean that you should take it as a trade, and that's also not what I'm doing right now. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.